Hi guys, welcome to DIY Solutions UK. Today I'm going to tell you how to jumpstart Toyota Auris 2018 model. It's a hybrid model and the battery is inside the boot. Come with me, I'll show you. See, it's the same procedure with a state as well. It's a hatchback and as we open the boot lid and the battery is behind that trim. I'm taking this trim off and as you can see there's a battery behind there, but I'm telling you it's no safe to jump start from the battery. You have to jump start from the fuse box, which is located in underneath the bonnet, and I will show you how to do it. Now we're going to open this bonnet. That's a bonnet catch here. Just pull it and the bonnet will be open. Now before you do any work, secure your bonnet properly, and on the left hand side there's a fuse box here. As you can see, there's a release button here. Just press it and pull it, and as is open, just push it backward and this cover will come off, and that's a red cover. You need to pull it, and underneath it you can see that's a place where we connect these jump start cables, as connected the red one on the fuse box and the black one can go anywhere on the bare metal where it can get the negative current. So it's connected properly and the car will start. Now we will close it, and first we need to close this cover. Then take this black cover, insert the first clip inside the front one, and just push from the back and the cover will close properly.